Class 1, Lecture 6, English Grammar, Topic Verb. Good morning, students. Take out your English 4 lines notebook. If you already have margin line on the one side of the page, then draw another line at the other side. Write day, subject and date. Start writing verb with capital letter. After that, write its definition. A word which shows an action is called verb. Examples: cooking, eating and writing. By action we mean to do something. So in all those examples, if you do it, let's suppose if you are cooking, then you are doing some things. By doing, you are showing some action. If you are eating something or if you are writing something, then you are showing some action. That's why all those words are verbs. Exercise. Write exercise, then start writing. Look at the pictures in your books on page 35 and give short answers to the questions. Dear students, look at the page 35 in your books. As you can see, you have some pictures. And then in its exercise, you have some questions. A, look at A. Is Arif catching a fish? Now, look at that picture. Arif is doing what? Yes, he is catching a fish. So, in its answer, you have to write, yes, Arif is catching a fish. Then look at B. Are the girls bringing a cup of tea? Look at the girls. No, they aren't. So, its answer should be no, they aren't or they are not. Both would be the same. Then, C is mother posting a letter? Look at the picture. Where is mother? No, mother is not posting a letter. She is talking to someone. So, its answer should be no, she isn't. Look at D and the last one. Is Mr. Khan driving a car? Look at the picture. Mr. Khan is driving a car. Then answer should be in yes. So write answer there and write yes, he is. For all the answers, no, yes and all those words, you have to use exclamatory mark. That's it. That is the end of our today's topic. If you have any question related to it, so you can ask it in the comment section. Thank you, students.